Hi. Welcome to Java. In this series, we will be learning about Java. So, what is Java? Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language. When you are writing a Java program, remember these. 1. Every valid Java application must have a class definition, which means, the class name must match with the file name. 2. The main method must be inside the class definition. 3. The compiler starts to execute from the main function. To know about class and method, take a car. Here, car is a class. What about these? The same model cars, but with different colors. In the class car, this particular model is an object. For example, the Audi A8 is a car. In other words, objects are the subsets of a class. The car has attributes such as weight, and color, and methods such as drive, and brake. Let's look into them later in upcoming tutorials. Now let's start programming in Java. What is the very first program usually people go for? Excellent, it is Hello World. In this tutorial session, I'll be using Notepad++. The installation guide is provided in the caption. If you have not configured Java in your machine, go through the tutorial to set up Java in your machine. Shall we start Java programming? First, we have to define the class name. Remember, you have to use the same name when you are saving the file. Open the Notepad++ and click New, or select New in File tab, or use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. Save the file as helloworld.java. You can save it now, or else, you can save it after completing the codes. Then, type all of these carefully, without making mistakes. You can also get the source code from the link provided in the caption. All classes begin with a class definition in Java. Here, Hello World is the name of the class, so the class definition is public class Hello World in parentheses. Compiler begins from main function of a class, so it is the entry point of your Java program. Also, it's mandatory in a Java program. The signature of the main method in Java is public static void main within parenthesis, string, square parenthesis, arguments as args. System.out.println, in between the parenthesis, in between the inverted comma, hello, world. This will print whatever inside the inverted comma. Remember the flow. The print statement is inside the main function. The main function is inside the class definition. Open the terminal and go to the directory where you have saved helloworld.java file. Here, I have saved my helloworld.java in Java_tutorials folder in C drive, user, your tutor. Or else, you can simply right-click on your class tab in Notepad++ and select Open Containing Folder in CMD. Compile the program by using the command javac space helloworld.java. If you have properly followed the tutorial, you will not receive any warnings or errors. If you faced any error, try to debug, or use the helloworld.java file from the given link in the caption. If the compilation was successful, run the program using the command java space hello world, and see the output. You can change the text inside the inverted comma, compile again, execute the program and check the output. Now, you have learned how to print in Java. If you have got something from this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now. Lots of love from your tutor.